Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah, and today, guys, we're gonna be making a guitar kind of vibe. Hopefully, we come up with an amazing vibe. I don't know how this is gonna go, but let's just stay creative. All right, so right now, DAW, the first thing, like I always say, if you want to create an amazing guitar vibe, you need an amazing guitar plugin, and I'm gonna be using Contacts. And I've already just played some notes, have some notes down already. So quickly, I'm just gonna play those notes, and then we build. From there is the Ilya Ifemo's guitar, an amazing guitar library. I think you should go get if you don't have it. Yep, nice. And next thing I'm just gonna do is just put in some nice guitar effect on this. But before then, using guitars like this just gives you that articulation. So we have some articulations right here, this button here. So if you go to the guitar, and let me just bring up the keyboard. Yeah, so you can see these notes here are the articulations. So let me just play it again. So you can see these notes on red and yellow are basically the articulations. So you have this slide articulation. So you can see all those slides. Yep. So and I've told you how you could create like nice guitar melodies. Just try to pick your notes instead of just playing it like a strum, like playing it at once. You could just pick your notes, and you could just always play with the middle note. Like try different, what is it called, inversions. Yeah, invert your chords, so it sounds open. Mostly guitar chords are open. So we're moving from the 6, we're on the key of F. So we're moving from our 6 to our 3 to our 5 to our 2. Nice. So what I always love to do with my guitar plugins is to send it to my mixer and just put in some nice effect. And I have this preset I have here, which I just use for my guitar always. Is just basically delay, reverb, and EQ. So you can see how the guitar is sounding wet. Another thing I just love to do is to put in the guitar rig, because with the guitar rig there, it just gives you this amplification. So yeah, I'm using guitar rig 6. I have some presets I love trying out first and see how they fit with the vibe. So let's see this. I think I like this, but I think I might take out the delay from this. So let's just bring the delay down a little bit. So we'll have this. Where are you? Come back here. Maybe we'll bring down the reverb a little bit. Yeah, I think this sounds nice. So from this to this. Nice. So I think we have a pattern for our guitar. So I'm just going to rename these 2 bars. So we're just going to go with something vibey. So I'm just going to be using the OZ Chords pack, because that's where I'm getting some, I think I'm getting some nice ideas from. So let's just layer the drums, and I'm just going to go over to the kick. Yeah, just pick a very soft kick, but let's just go with a steady kick. So we have something like this, So if I turn off our metronome, yeah, just increase the velocity. I just love it, always hits. So let's have this. Yeah. And I just put in my soft clipper. So the hi-hats, we just go with something like, yeah, okay. Like I said, I don't know what I want to do, but you're gonna come up with a nice vibe around open heart. Yeah. Let's just stretch it down. I might just bring this down. Yeah, bring it down. Maybe pitch it a little bit down. Send it to my mixer. Take out some of the lows. Yeah. So I think the guitar just needs this part. Yeah, so now I can just put some random percussions and see how it's where it leads to. I think I put this. Yes. So these shakers. I just want to remove the trance and let's see what else we can add. Yeah, I'll go with this loop. Yeah, I feel like I have a very nice drum back, so we can add like drum fills on it. Let's see what it's got here. Take it like this. Yes. Yeah. Nice. So I think I can add like a bass. I think let's go with sub boom bass. Oh, you know what? Let me try Nexus and let's just put it down somewhere. So piano roller. So I move from the 6. Just bring it down a little bit and let's use our EQ. Yeah, so you can just hear the notes under there. But I think I want to bring contacts. I might just add in very nice whistle. Yeah, so let me just put it and see what a melody we could come up with. And I'm just loading ad-lib box. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a random melody. Whistle. Yeah, so let's just add what I'm gonna call this analog lab. I think go with, let's see, pad. So add that vocal, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, let's try this. I just need like all those ambient sound. So this is still E minor. Just need to pitch it minus 200 cents. So I have this. Nice. Yeah, they can do that, something like that here. I'm not seeing anything that fits, boy. Yeah, so this is Fireman. I can tell this is sounding nice even without doing too much when it comes to the mixing. So like I said, man, sound selection important. So I hope you actually got something from these. Like I said, also I'm gonna drop the FLP for you guys to download. And when you come up with something, don't forget to add me as a collaborator on BeatStars, and you know, let's see how it goes. Thank you guys for watching, and if you love videos like this and don't want to miss out on amazing videos, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you never miss a post from Mykah. Thank you guys for watching, and the link to join the Patreon is going to be in the description, and the Patreon is in a platform where you get amazing stuff. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.